Hi there, I'm Dr. James Brown. I'm an Associate Professor in the School of Biosciences at Aston University. I got my job by doing a degree in biomedical science and then a PhD, and then working as a scientist until I became a lecturer. Using English, both in written communication and non-written communication, is absolutely essential to my job. I have to make sure that I'm able to communicate to students, to make sure they learn properly, to staff members to make sure they understand things that I want them to do. And that includes also being able to actively listen when I have conversations with people. It's an incredibly important skill, using English, to make sure that you can not only get your point across, but you can make sure you understand what people are asking of you. There are lots of different ways in which I have to apply using English in every day in my job. So that's everything from sending emails, to reading emails, to writing research articles, to writing newspaper articles, to giving lectures, making sure that students can understand the subject that I'm talking about, and then answering questions after those lectures, and making sure that when the students ask those questions, I give them an answer that they can understand. Outside of that, I also do work with the media, and it's really important to be able to communicate to people, whether it's through television or the radio or newspaper articles, in a way that they understand. And that means using English in a way where you take your audience into consideration. What do they need to get from what you're communicating, and how can you communicate effectively so that your audience understands the point you're trying to get across? It's not overstating it to say that good communication and using English properly is absolutely central to my job as a university lecturer and as a researcher.